All right. Oh my God, I can't believe I did this. So this video, I originally recorded this video and I did not check the mic. So the original video has no audio. So I'm trying to overdub this right now. I think I remember most of what I was saying, but then I will just watch the video and then try to basically commentate on what's happening. So like I said in the previous video, this is just my strategy. This is how something that I came up with on my own, taking ideas from different people on YouTube. There's no one strategy that works 100%. You got to try stuff. Even if you have a strategy, even if you follow the indicators, sometimes the market goes in the direct opposite. I am not a professional trader. Follow my channel, subscribe to my channel on YouTube, Digital Bashment, and you will see my channel. I'm just a DJ. I've been doing Forex for the last couple months. I went live with my live account on May 7th. I've been striking, I would say, luck, right? I don't know what I'm doing. This is just pure luck. Please do not take this for financial advice. Don't go and lose your money and say, oh, Digital Bashman make me lose my money. I come in and fuck him. Nah, bro. These videos are for my personal use, so I could go back and I could check, all right, oh, this and that, I was doing this at that time. Oh, okay, all right, you understand? This is my journal. This is my vlog, right? So then when I start my day, I come in, I check the charts on TradingView. I use TradingView to check the chart because, you know, I could see the chart better on TradingView as opposed to MetaTrader 4. MetaTrader 4 is my trading platform and my broker is Traders Way. The reason why I chose Traders Way as my broker is because of the leverage, 1 to 1,000 leverage. With that kind of leverage, you could make money quicker. You could also lose money quick and blow your account in no time. Always bear that in mind, right? So I believe in this part of the video I was rambling a lot as part of my introduction. That's why I'm not doing anything yet. But yeah, so like we were saying, I check TradingView and I check the chart on TradingView and I look for pairs that have consistency in the trend. So I check the 4 hours, I check the 1 hour, half an hour, 15, 5, 1. So I look for a consistent trend under each time frame, and then I decide whether I should buy if it's going up or sell if it's going down, right? So yeah, so I guess that was the introduction. I really talk long in the introduction there, boy. My goal for the day is to make more money than I would make on my 9 to 5. Now, if I could make $200, $300 on a daily, $300 by 5, 3 5s, $1,500 for the week. Hey, doggy, you go this one. Hey, going to the Africans, go free up. Yeah, so that's my goal for the day, to try and make more money than I would make on a 9 to 5 job, right? And my ultimate goal is to quit my job and stay home and do this. All right, so now I could see, I check in the charts, the euro pound. What's happening there? All right, so I basically have to commentate on what I was doing because I forgot to turn on the audio. All right, so the euro pound, as I could see here, that's under the 1 hour. So under the 1 hour, there was a consistent, the price was going down. So I followed that trend. Under the 1 hour, the price was going down. I wish I could have heard what I was saying. I really do fuck with there, son. Yeah, but the price was coming down here under the 1 hour. So, and this, yeah, there was like 26 minutes left in the current hour. So yeah, did I check the previous? No, I didn't remember what I did, son. So normally I would check the 4 hours first, or even the 1 hour first, because from the 1 hour I could see what was happening in the last 4 hours, right? So the last candle to the right is the current candle. Oh, I switch already. All right, so I went to the Aussie USD. That green line was my position, I think, yesterday or so. So let me delete that line. Yeah, so I went to Aussie USD, and under the 1 hour, there is no consistency here. The previous hours, the price was going down, but the current hour, indecisive between the sellers and the buyers. And the wicks, I think I was explaining the wicks there. The wicks is the body of the candle, basically shows you price action, and then the wick shows you where the price was rejected. I can't explain the candles. I'll have to go back to my notes to explain exactly what the candles do, and what the wicks mean and what the body means. But yeah, the previous two candles, even the previous two candles we had, they were bearish, but there's no consistency in this pair. All right, this one here, that's which one? Euro USD. There was a nice trend a few hours ago, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I remember that. Yeah, there was a nice trend 5 hours, going up. Then it consolidated here for a few hours, and then it started, come on, Jock. Then it started going back up again. Yeah, up, consolidated a little bit there for the next couple hours, then started back going up. So then it reached a top now, and then it started back coming down. So these two candles indicate that the price is coming down. So the trend shift. So it may not shift, it could be just consolidating. So we don't know which direction it's going to go after it consolidates, whether it's going to continue going back up or it's going to come back down, right? So that you have to hold off on that trade. You cannot come in. It's not wise to come in at that time here, because we don't know what's happening. You don't know what's happening. You're looking for consistency in the trend. Consistency, where you could clearly see that that's the trend. This is who now? Aussie USD. I think I went back to the Euro Pound because that was the strongest trend I was seeing. Right? So then I go to my chart. Aussie USD, Euro Pound. Euro Pound, see that consistently going up. All right, but we're not even studying now. We're studying our current candles now. Right? So what did I trade this morning? Euro Pound, I think, Right, so all right, I was explaining about the one click here. The one click buy, when you do a one click buy, the spread is too much. So I don't usually I no longer do a one click buy. I do a pending order. I don't even do market execution buy because, again, the spread is too much. I do a pending order, and then I do a buy stop, and I set the price just above market. Just above market to minimize my spread, or for when it executes, that I don't go too much out of money. I don't go too much in the red. You understand? I want, once it execute, that I start making money as soon as possible. That's why I do it like that. Right? And then the stop loss and the take profit, I don't set a stop loss and take profit for the fact that I'm going to at least be spending an hour, 2 or 3, whatever amount of time it takes for me to monitor this chart. This is basically, this is not like a hobby thing where I could just place a trade and then turn. Nah, this is what I want to do as my job, so I have to spend time doing this. I don't want no magical thing. You got to put in the work, right? So that's why I don't set a stop loss and I take profit. I want to actually monitor it and decide when I could close the trade by myself or whether I should leave it. The one-click sell, I could do a one-click sell because the spread is not that much. When you do a one-click sell, the price that you sell at is going to be close to the market price. And you guys going to see that in a while. What was I talking about here? We went under the, this is what, under the 5 minutes. So, all right, so under the 5 minutes, the last 1, 2, 3, the last 5 minutes, the price was going up, right? So the last 5 minutes, so we had that coming down, then it went back up. Go, Joe. Go. I remember what I was saying there. And then, but the price went back up, and then started coming back down again. So our last 1, 2, 3, or 3, 5, these 3 green candles here, the last 3 green candles, the price was going back up, right? Oh yeah, I spoke about the RSI 30 and 70. When it's below 30 on the RSI, that means it's oversold. When it's 70, that means it's overbought. The RSI again is just an indicator. The indicators does not always hold true because the market is unpredictable. The whole thing about this is you're trying to predict something that's unpredictable. So you're making guesses, but you're making educated guesses. So your indicators and your strategies, they just give you that knowledge to make an educated guess, but it will not always go the way that you predicted. And that's where people lose money, and that's where people get frustrated because you thinking you have the strategy down pat, bro. It does not work like that. It don't work like that. If everybody could have predict the market, then everybody could have been making bread. It don't work like that. All right. So I believe I'm going to come on. No, I know I'm going to come and do a one-click sell, and you guys going to see that the spread is not much on a one-click sell. That's why whenever I sell, I just do a one-click. Whenever I buy, I do a buy stop. Here I'm adding a timer on the candle to see how much time is left on the candle. 18 minutes to go on this 40-minute candle before the new candle forms. Alright, don't remember how long this video was. So what's happening here now? Yeah, can't believe I forget to put the audio on, man. A man like me that always doing OBS, in that I work in man. I forget this. Right, so what are we doing here now? I think I was waiting to see what's going to happen with this candle, you know. Yeah, we went back to the 1 hour and still see the consistency. So the current half an hour, people, buyers and sellers fighting still. The current, that's our 70 minutes left in this half an hour, right? So, but we still have a downward trend. So with even 16 minutes to go, that price could go anyway. It could keep going down, or it could go back up, you know. And also, all right, so what I'm about to do here now is draw a horizontal line. This horizontal line indicates where the price hit a floor and keep going back up. And it hit that floor quite a few times, right? So What you do this to predict is that it's gonna hit the floor and go back up. 100% guaranteed? Again, no. I've seen many times, which we call a support line, many times it bursts through that support line and just keep going down. So if you're trying to time it for it to hit that support line and then try and catch it on the way back up, sometimes it doesn't always work. That's why when you see these guys recording the videos and then they tell you, all right, oh, let's look back here. It hit here, it hit here. Yeah, it hit here, it hit here back then. But now, I want to see it hit here now and go back up now. Not back then, that passed already. You check it? And that's what I don't find a lot of the videos out there doing. They don't give you live trading. We want live trading videos so that we could actually see what's happening. You dig? Alright, so Euro GDP, we on that pair here, we monitoring that pair still under the 5 minutes. That next candle about to form, and that's when I'm going to make my decision when I should come in, because the last 5, 10, 15, 20 minutes consolidation. So the market still ain't sure which direction it's going. So always want to start off with a wider time frame, and then you narrow it down so you could get a better understanding of what's happening in the narrower time frame. The way I could explain this, like I was saying, like if you look up in the sky and you see clouds in the sky, then you could say, all right, it's about to rain. All right, how much rain is coming? All right, maybe the weatherman say 10 inches or whatever. So the rain is coming from the east, moving to west. For you to understand what's happening, you have to go closer to the rain. Once you go closer to the rain, then you could go back and tell the community like, yo, pack up your shit. It's about to get flooded. Wind, strong wind and everything. Right? So from a distance, we see the rain coming, but we do not know what the rain brings. If we go closer to the rain, then we could say, all right, yeah, okay, all right. So then we could go back and warn the village and tell the village like, yo, that rain coming there with some serious wind. Gonna do some. So that's why you look at the overall picture and then you come further in. It's just like you're watching a painting. You stand up and you watch a painting from a distance, it looks beautiful, but when you come closer to the painting, then you see all the flaws, you see all the brush strokes, and then you see some detail that you were not able to see from a distance. So that's why when you look at the chart, same thing, you look at the chart from the 4 hours and then you start narrowing it down so you could get more detail of what's happening. You understand? This is where USD JPY, I was looking at this chart, consolidation here, and then you get two serious bullish candles. So there, money could have making that there. You understand? But the sad thing about that is when you had the price coming down, you miss out on that. Right? So USD JPY still consistently going up. Right? Under the, what's that, 15 minutes, still going up. But the RSI high. Now the RSI high again, it may not follow the RSI. It could continue going back up. You understand? So, yeah, you want to pay attention to your indicators, but the chart does not always go the way the indicators say. All right, just bear that in mind. These indicators and the strategies, they give you an idea so you could make an educated guess. It is all a guess. This is not 100% foolproof. Alright, I ain't take a trade yet. I'm still checking my charts. See how much time I take in to check my charts. I just coming in and jumping in and, you know, you check your charts and then you see which chart, which pair would be better for you to come in, you know. Take your time, you check your charts, check your trends, and then you make a decision as to which pair you're going to trade and when. Patience. Patience, don't panic. Patience, don't panic. And do not be greedy. You come in, you set a goal, hit that goal, get out. Done for the day. Or maybe give yourself a break for a few hours and then come back later. But if you set a daily goal, stick to that daily goal and then done for the day. Next time around, if you want to up your goal, then you could up it. All right, this pair, pound Canadian. This pair here, we have a nice trend under the 1 hour. The last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hours continue going up. The problem with this pair is I do not have this pair on my MetaTrader 4. So maybe Trader's Way does not trade this pair. You understand? So here I'm going to go to my market watch on my and look for the pair. It's not there. Right? It is not there. So I can't trade this pair. And then now, in doing so, I realized that, hey, you know, my euro pound still give me my same trend. So it's time to come in. Stop sticking. It's time to come in. It's still going down. This is what, half an hour? Yeah, half an hour candle. Still going down. So we're about to come in there soon. Alright. We're about to come in here soon. And we're gonna do a one-click buy. One-click sell. Come on, guy. Bars. We're gonna do a one-click sell. Like we say, because the spread is not that much. Yeah, and this, wait till you see the money start moving, son. That's when you should getting excited. And like, you're getting nervous and excited at the same time. Oh, all right, I buy already. I sell already. All right. So we did a one-click sell. And then, as you could see, right away, we start losing money. Right? So that's where people start. And I did, oh shit, my logo blocking it. Well, if you look down here at the size, 5, right? I did a 5 lot sell. When you just start trading, trade 0.01 or 0.1 lots. Do not trade big lots. You will blow your account in no time. Once the market starts going in the opposite direction of the direction that you traded, trade smaller lots in the beginning. Right? The quicker you want to make money, the quicker it is for you to lose money as well. Always bear that in mind. Yeah, you could make money as fast as you could make money, as fast as you could lose money. Do not blow your account. You see, my account is $4,000. I have enough cushion for when this thing start dipping. I good still. You understand? And then so I come in, one click sell, and then I start losing money right away. Am I going to panic? No, because I trust the trend. I trust the trend. We under half an hour, the price going down. I trust the trend. Right? So as you could see, look, all right, boom. It's going to fluctuate because buyers and sellers fighting. So the price is going to fluctuate. We still have 7 minutes and change to go in this candle under the half an hour. Right? Let me see, what do I do here now? So whenever you come in and sell, if the price going back up, you're going to lose money. Whenever you come in and buy, if the price is going down, you're going to lose money. Right? So I went under the 15 to see what's happening. So you take a closer look. Right? We were under the half an hour. Under the half an hour says that, yo, boom, we going down. Once you start dialing in, then you get a better understanding of what's happening with the price. It's consolidating. That's why we still in the red and we ain't start making money yet because boom, the market decide which direction the price is going. Then all right, you take this trade hoping that it's going to continue going down. What if it just start going back up and just continue going up non-stop? You blow your account unless you close the trade. When you start, if you figure, well, all right, it go way too much and it's not going to go back in your favor, you just close the trade. Now, that's why people set stop losses and take profits, so that if they don't get to close the trade on time, then they set a stop loss so that the trade will be closed. And they talk about risk management, the risk ratio. I don't do all that for the fact that I'm monitoring my chart, right? So I trust my process. I'm monitoring the chart, seeing which direction this is going, and then boom. So yeah, minus, and that's when people start panicking, like, oh, Ponji, I'm losing money, they're losing money. They're like, fuck, So this current candle has 4 minutes and change to go, and it's time to be bullish. A bullish candle where you come in and sell. You come in on a sell. Watch how much money that gone already. 6 something minus 6 something. You understand? So the dotted green line is my sell price. That's where I came in on the sell. So basically, and then the line that's fluctuating, that's the market price. So you want that fluctuating line to go below your dotted green line when you do a sell, right? So that's what I'm hoping for. And it's about that time. It's about go time, but that's not a guarantee, right? So all right, you just decide how much money you want to make for the day, and then you close off the trade whenever you get to that point. The reason why this is going so quick is because I'm trading 5 lots. Do not trade that big when you're just starting. You will blow your account, right? So what I'm trying to do here now, the mouse is over the X because I want to close out the trade at 2 something, right? And because the price is moving so quick, you have to try and catch it, and that's the exciting part. Once you're in the money, try and catch your quota, and it's moving so quickly. What is that? Nice. Try that price bouncing up and down there. 2 something. Close it out, Joe. Close it out. 260, 270. Yes, yeah. Close it out, my G. What you waiting for? This nigga greedy, son. You see, and that's where the greed start to kick in. Now you see, it was already it was on 2 something for a few seconds, and I could have closed it out and take that 2 something. But no, I waiting for it to reach 3 bills. Bro, take the 2 something. There you go. All right, I close it out. Boom. That's it. That's it for that trade. Let's see how much money that trade was. 260. 260. Boom. So if I set my goal at $200 for the day, I already make my goal. I already made more money than I would make on my 9-to-5 job. Bro, this is crazy, son. Hey, they're killing ourselves for them people, listen. All right, so I'm gonna take one more trade under this video, because I wanted to. I think at 300 I set my goal at. All right, so boom, you could see now that same candle, the price start to go back up. That same candle. So imagine a bullish candle, and I did a sell trade, and I made money under a bullish candle with a sell trade. So that's why I say you could never predict the market. If I'd leave this any longer, I would be losing money because the price go up, up, up. So I don't even want to see that chart again. I already finished that chart. Come out of it. Come out of it for now. Understand? And then, you know, maybe check it later again to see if the trend's still continuing. But within this minute and change, you never know. The price could just whoop, go back down. Unpredictable. That's how the market is. That is how the market is. Ooh. I'm tired, you know, that. TGIF. Thank God it's Friday. Alright, so what are we waiting for? I remember. I think I'm waiting to see how that candle go close out, you know. Yeah, so I was able to scalp that at the right time and make a 260 on that there. Boom, bang. You dig? Alright, candle about to... New candle. Which direction is new candle going? We don't know. Some people pay attention to the wicks. The wicks help them decide which direction that is. I'm not that proficient yet. Right? The reason why I move this line up, this support line up, is because the price hit that line here a couple times and over here. So this could be a support line. Maybe that's why it's going back up. Who knows? I don't know. Would I come back in here and trade here? No, not yet. Not yet, because the market deciding which direction it's going to go. So that, you leave that for now. I was just lucky enough. Lucky is the key word. I was lucky enough to come in on a bullish candle and do a sell trade. That's luck. That ain't no strategy. That ain't no prediction. That's luck, that is. This is all luck. So don't go and say, all right, jokes. Nah, I'm lucky. I've been getting lucky. You dig? Don't use my strategy as gospel. If you use my strategy and you're making money with it, hey, be up yourself. Teach somebody else too. That's what we out here to do. There's enough bread here for everybody to eat a food. If you eating and you show somebody how to eat, that person not going to take away from your food. You just helping somebody else eat. You dig? Enough. The market there full. All of us, teach your brothers and sisters how to do this thing, man. Come on, man. And don't forget, subscribe to my channel, Digital Bashment. You know? Just a soca, I'm just a DJ who loves soca. I'm not a soca DJ. I'm just a DJ who loves soca. I love dancehall too. I don't love the new dancehall. I'm not a Forex trader. I am not an expert. I'm not a guru in Forex. I am a DJ who loves soca music. And I'm just looking for different avenues, you know? Different. I could move my logo. Hold on, let me see something here. Nope. Yeah, looking for different avenues to eat a food, bro. Again, I can't be out there DJing. Hey, bro, you know, I forgot. I haven't checked. All right, we took another trade here. We took another sell trade here on what that there, boy. Aussie USD. Why I come in here? I don't even know why I came in here. That's what, half an hour. Bro, that's a mad trade. That is a mad trade. That's a crazy trade. The previous 2 half an hours consolidation. Why did you come in here, bro? Like, what are you doing? You trying to lose your money? That's why I tell you, boy, Now I'm looking at this, I see now it's a mad trade I do there for trade. The Rasta man do this. So, brothers and sisters, this trade here does not coincide with the strategy that I'm using because there's no trend here. Like, I don't even know why I came in here at all. That's madness. You see, I came in here, I probably came in here just with my fingers crossed. You know, madness are dead away. But be in the money. Boom, out of there. You dig? How much was that trade? $98. Yeah, because that's madness though. I know I do that. Right? So for the day, 260 and 98. For the day I made what it was. I'll tell you right now. 358. 358 for the day, alright? Get that money. Go to YouTube, follow them tutorials, use your own strategy, come up with your own strategy, and of course, don't forget, subscribe to my Digital Bashment channel on YouTube. I'm a DJ who loves soca. There's over 100 and something mixes there on my channel. Enough music there for you to enjoy. Follow me on SoundCloud, Digital Bashment. Follow me on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, Periscope, Digital Bashment. Be safe out there. Out of there. Yeah, man.